Robinhood says SEC has dismissed crypto investigation. Coinbase, Robinhood, SEC. With the SEC stepping back from aggressive enforcement, Robinhood's clearance signals a potential turning point toward clearer, more structured crypto oversight. Investors and crypto platforms alike now face a reshaped regulatory environment, influencing strategic decisions moving forward. Last updated, February 24, 2025. Author, Julia Smith. Author, Julia Smith. About author. Julia is an experienced editor with a passion for covering a wide variety of beats. She loves all things politics and regularly covers regulatory updates on emerging technology here for Crypto News. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 24, 2025 at 20:39 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. The SEC officially ended its investigation into Robinhood Crypto on February 21, 2025, without pursuing enforcement action. This move, together with the SEC dropping its lawsuit against Coinbase, indicates a broader shift toward lighter cryptocurrency regulation under the current administration. Robinhood has urged the SEC to transition from enforcement-based regulation to establishing clear, structured guidelines for digital assets. Robinhood Crypto announced on Monday that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, had closed its investigation on February 21 without enforcement action, effectively ending concerns over alleged sales of securities on the platform. According to a February 24 press release, the federal agency's enforcement division recently notified Robinhood on February 21 that it had closed the investigation with no action, as it had no intent to move forward with an enforcement action. Let me be crystal clear, this investigation never should have been opened, said Dan Gallagher, Chief Legal, Compliance and Corporate Affairs Officer of Robinhood Markets Incorporated. Robinhood Crypto always has and will always respect federal securities laws and never allowed transactions in securities. Crypto enforcement actions ease following Gensler's exit. The SEC initially launched its probe into Robinhood Crypto last spring, notifying Robinhood's digital asset branch via a Wells notice that it would likely face regulatory consequences for allegedly selling securities. Former SEC Chair Gary Gensler faced criticism from the cryptocurrency community due to his aggressive approach to digital asset regulation, which included lawsuits against prominent crypto entities such as Kraken and Ripple. However, the regulator scaled back its aggressive crypto enforcement stance after Gensler resigned following the election of U.S. President Donald Trump. Last week, Coinbase also announced that the SEC formally dropped its investigation into the crypto exchange. This is a victory not just for Coinbase, but for our customers, the United States, and personal freedom, Coinbase stated in a Friday press release. Meanwhile, Robinhood urged the regulating body to establish a clear path forward, in light of easing its strategy toward the crypto sector as a whole. The press release emphasized that the SEC should shift from regulation by enforcement toward clear and comprehensive regulatory guidelines, giving market participants greater clarity on digital asset rules. A moment of reassessment. The conclusion of the SEC investigation serves as a catalyst for a comprehensive review of market practices and regulatory methods. It presents platforms like Robinhood with an opportunity to reaffirm their commitment to compliance amid shifting oversight tactics. At the same time, investors are challenged to revisit their strategies and consider how these recent developments might influence both immediate market behavior and longer-term growth. This period of reflection encourages all stakeholders to consider the broader implications of regulatory decisions on investor sentiment and market discipline. By engaging in this reassessment, market participants can contribute to shaping a more thoughtful approach to digital asset management. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How might shifting regulatory attitudes toward crypto affect new startups in this sector? Newly founded crypto companies could face fewer immediate enforcement threats and instead be encouraged to follow clearer guidelines for launch and expansion. According to recent discussions among legal experts, a focus on transparency and structured compliance from the outset can help startups avoid legal troubles down the road. Will the SEC's decision to dismiss investigations encourage other agencies to revise their approach to digital assets? It's possible. Different agencies, such as the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, often watch how the SEC proceeds with enforcement in emerging markets. A softening stance from the SEC may prompt other regulators to reevaluate how they classify and supervise digital assets, potentially leading to more cohesive federal-level policies. What are some indicators that crypto regulation might be moving toward a more formalized framework? Legislative proposals, public consultations, and increased collaboration with industry stakeholders usually indicate a trend toward formalized guidelines. For instance, the SEC's request for public comments on crypto-related rulemaking has grown in recent years, signaling a willingness to gather diverse perspectives before finalizing regulations. How can individual investors stay informed about regulatory developments and protect their holdings? Investors should regularly monitor announcements on the SEC's official website, follow trusted crypto news outlets like cryptonews.com, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals well-versed in digital assets. Maintaining secure storage solutions, e.g., hardware wallets, and using reputable exchanges also helps safeguard one's portfolio. Does this shift signal that mainstream financial institutions will adopt crypto services more readily? While it's not a guarantee, a more defined regulatory path generally reduces uncertainty, which can encourage traditional banks and financial platforms to explore crypto services. Many industry analysts note that clear legal frameworks tend to attract institutional participation, potentially accelerating the integration of digital assets into everyday financial products. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Artist E, formerly known as Kanye West, teases Swastacoin token launch analysis. Will Bitcoin price hold at $95,000 resistance or is rally ahead? Picoin plunges 70%, then surges. What's behind the blame game? Altcoin news. Crypto products see $508 million outflows. XRP leads altcoin inflows. 8 hours ago, by Hassan Shitu. Ethereum news. Bybit CEO vows to recover stolen funds. Discusses possibility of Ethereum blockchain rollout. 1 day ago, by Ruhalamin Hakanas. Altcoin news. Bybit CEO, ETH gap closed post $1.4 billion hack. Exchange to publish POR audit. 15 hours ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in February 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. New crypto coins to invest in February 2025. 9 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now upcoming token sales. November 5, 2024, by Medb Keelikutty. 10 new upcoming Coinbase listings in February 2025. February 5, 2025, by Isan El Medkuri. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Next crypto to explode. Top 11 coins in February 2025. September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.